Is this always you in War Thunder? Getting blown up the moment you're spotted? Then listen up,
Bruh.
especially you German mains. One of the most important and overlooked rules is your ammo count. Always spawn in with 20 to 30 rounds, no more. Personally, I carry 20 rounds of armor-piercing, preferably with explosive filler, and 5 rounds of high explosive. Why? Because HE rounds can be game changers, especially if you have a big caliber. As you can see here, an AP shell fails to one-shot an anti-air unit, but a single HE round obliterates it with ease. Don't be the guy who brings 60 shells and blows up into a massive fireball. Follow this simple rule, and you'll survive a whole lot longer.